Welcome back to Review Scout, your trusted guide for discovering tools that truly make a difference. Today, we're diving deep into a powerful AI-based automation tool that's making waves in the world of social media marketing, ViralReelAI. Whether you're a beginner, a marketer, or a digital creator looking to grow on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, without ever showing your face, you're going to want to pay close attention to this one. ViralReelAI is designed for people who want to run faceless Instagram and TikTok channels. With just a single keyword, it can automatically create and post reels, story videos, quotes, memes, and images. It uses artificial intelligence to generate engaging content that attracts attention, brings in followers, and helps you sell products and services on autopilot, all from behind the scenes. Think about this. What if you could build a following, generate thousands of views, and start seeing daily sales, all without editing videos, recording your voice, or showing your face? That's what ViralReelAI aims to make possible. It's not just about video creation. It's about building a content-driven business powered by AI. Users have already reported impressive results. For example, Jessica, a faceless creator, built 13,000 Instagram followers and now earns $4,000 per month selling digital products, all thanks to the software. Another user, Mike, tripled his following in 90 days, and a single video brought in $1,200 in sales and leads. These are real stories from real people using the power of AI to grow faceless brands. So, what do you actually get when you get access to ViralReelAI? First, you unlock commercial rights. That means you can create videos not just for yourself, but also sell these AI-generated videos and video automation services to clients. It's a great opportunity if you're running a side hustle or want to start a video marketing agency. The video creation process is powered entirely by AI. You enter a keyword, and the system generates engaging, niche-specific video ideas. You can produce reels, memes, quotes, and story videos in just a few clicks. These aren't generic videos either. They're optimized for engagement with features like AI-generated captions, voiceovers, and even avatars that lip-sync with narration. One of the most powerful elements of ViralReelAI is how it adapts to various platforms. It can automatically convert videos into different aspect ratios, like 9:16 for Instagram stories, 1:1 for posts, and 16:9 for YouTube. That makes it extremely versatile. Let's talk about scheduling and publishing. ViralReelAI allows you to auto-schedule and publish videos directly to Instagram. No more logging in every day to post manually. Just set your calendar and let the tool handle it all for you. Whether you're managing one account or multiple, this saves hours of work each week. You can also add custom overlays like text, graphics, or even other video clips. This feature gives your videos a more professional and personalized feel, making your content stand out in a crowded feed. And for creators who want to go global, there are realistic AI voiceovers in multiple languages and accents, powered by 11 Labs technology. Another standout feature is the AI-generated avatars that lip-sync perfectly with the voiceovers. These digital characters can narrate your content, giving it a face without ever needing to reveal your own. It's perfect for those who are camera shy but still want to build a strong presence on social media. Now, let's talk scalability. You can create a single video or batch create multiple videos at once. This is a major advantage if you want to plan and schedule content ahead of time. With a few inputs, the system can produce a week's worth of content in minutes. For deeper impact, there's also the script-to-video feature. Just input your written script and ViralReelAI turns it into a fully produced video, complete with narration, visuals, and effects, all automated. And it doesn't stop there. There's a full suite of AI-powered analytics and insights that allow you to track performance, optimize engagement, and increase your reach over time. These real-time metrics are crucial for understanding what type of content works best for your audience. One of the most exciting elements is the AI followers generation engine. This is not just a gimmick. It's a smart tool designed to grow your audience effectively. It works by automatically creating content, engaging with users, answering questions, and even distributing your message across platforms like Pinterest, SlideShare, and more. You also get access to pre-designed color themes and templates, allowing you to create professional videos in seconds. And for image-based content, the platform supports the creation of multi-image Instagram posts and carousels, perfect for promoting products or sharing tips and stories. Exporting content is also super easy. Videos can be downloaded in HD or even 4K. Ensure your posts look crisp and professional across all platforms. What's more, there's a special bonus feature for early adopters. The commercial license is included for free. That means you can use this tool to generate income not only from your own pages, but also by offering content creation as a service. Now imagine using a single platform to create viral story videos, meme-style reels, gift-based posts, and inspirational quote videos, all tailored to your niche, all automatically optimized, and all powered by cutting-edge AI. That's what ViralReelAI delivers. This tool empowers users from all niches, whether you're promoting digital products, courses, SaaS tools, design services, or affiliate offers. You can even use it to build an email list, promote your YouTube channel, or sell coaching programs. And remember, there are thousands of Instagram accounts making thousands of dollars each month without ever showing their face. The only difference between them, and you might just be having the right tool. In the past, making videos like this required hiring editors, voiceover artists, and spending countless hours on content creation. With ViralReelAI, everything is done in minutes with just a few clicks. From AI video generation to auto posting, follower engagement, and analytics, it's truly an all-in-one solution for modern content creators. So if you're tired of struggling to get views, followers, or sales, or you just want to save time while maximizing your content output, ViralReelAI might be exactly what you've been looking for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.